Well guys, we got the 2030 back together. Now we're gonna go rake some hay with it. Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Family Farm. Today we are going to be putting the seals in the pump and getting it put back on the tractor, and hopefully we can get the tractor back to completely together this evening. So let's get started. Well, we got our seals. So that's the first thing we need to do, is get those seals put in. And then when you're putting in your seal on the front of it, you don't just want to go beating on it with a hammer. You want to try to find, a good thing to use is find you a socket that's pretty close. If that's all you got, they do make a tool that is specifically to drive seals in. I don't have one here. Since I quit being a mechanic full time, I got rid of a lot of those kind of tools, those specialty tools that it's nice to have, but you don't have to have them. And then make sure you get it started in square before you really hit on it with a hammer. Yeah, you don't want to just beat on the seal, otherwise you'll bend it, and then there's a little rubber piece in there. It won't seal on the shaft like it's supposed to, and it'll leave a little gap, and then you won't be able to get a good seal. You'll be leaking stuff, or stuff will be able to get inside of your pump or whatever you're trying to seal up. So it comes with a plug in there that keeps all the needles right here from falling out, and you just put it in there upside down. Real careful. You don't want to push it too hard and push all your little needles out. Just like that. That's kind of recessed just enough so you can push it down on there and barely get them started, and then once you get them started, it'll slide right down on it. Another thing, you need to lube up those seals before you slide something in them. Just put a little bit of grease. This is just petroleum jelly that I'm putting on there. It helps the metal slide over the top of it, and that's all you're trying to do, is get it to slide good so you don't bind anything up. Set it down on something like that so you can get your shaft all the way through it, and you're not pushing it up every time. So a good thing that you can do on these seals so they don't slide around when you're trying to get your backing plate on or whatever else you're trying to do is just get you a little petroleum jelly, and you just want to lightly put it on there, just in a couple spots. Just kind of stick to it. Some people say, oh, they don't have any luck with it and it won't seal when you do it. I've never had one. Anything I've put together that I've done this with, never had one not seal up. Just personal experience. Always do the crisscross pattern when you're tightening bolts, especially on a round surface. It does help it come down evenly in case it is a little crooked going down. If you're going just all the way around, sometimes it'll hold that pattern and not be able to fall down all the way like it's supposed to. Well, guys, all we gotta do is put the hood on and the breather on, and everything seems to be working all right. I'm gonna just keep watching it for leaks. Other than that, it should be good to go. All the hydraulics work. The steering's working again. The 3-point lift is working. The next video you see will either be getting the tire fixed or we'll be raking some hay. Appreciate you guys coming along. Make sure you go down, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you're getting notified of all the next videos when they come out. Appreciate it. Thanks.